Hello guys, this is another new movie. The film tells the story of Emeka and Erica, a couple whose marriage is put to the test. When Emeka's past mistakes comes back to haunt him, Erica, a successful businesswoman, feels neglected by her husband and started to question their relationship. The movies explore themes of love, trust, and forgiveness, raising questions about the complexities of relationship and the consequences of one's action. The film features strong casts. Please, you can do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.